Welcome to JH. Finnfox.com claims to be your financial fairy godmother, connecting you with trusted lenders for loans ranging from $100 to $5,000. They'll take any credit score, which is usually corporate speak for, "We don't care how broke you are, we just want your data." They promise a fast application and even faster payouts. But the real question is whether Finnfox is a legitimate lifeline or just another shady trap. Stick around until the end, because what we uncovered might actually make you miss having an empty wallet. Let's look at the positives first, if we can call them that. Finnfox has been around since April 2016, which in internet years makes it a senior citizen. This longevity usually suggests stability, unlike those fly-by-night sites that vanish faster than your paycheck on a Friday night. They also take the time to explain their process step by step, making everything look clear and simple. It's a nice touch, giving you a warm, fuzzy sense of security right before the real fun begins. Plus, they list an email and a physical address, because nothing says "trust us" like a contact form that may or may not lead to a basement in the middle of nowhere. Now, let's ruin the mood with some reality. A quick trip to Reddit reveals that Finnfox isn't actually a lender at all. They're essentially a digital middleman that harvests your personal information and tosses it to a pack of hungry lenders like chum in shark-infested waters. We're talking about interest rates that can hit 600% APR or more. At that point, you aren't really borrowing money. You're basically signing up for a lifetime membership in the I Can't Afford Bread Club. Many users reported being matched with tribal lenders who operate outside state laws, meaning your legal protections are about as sturdy as a cardboard umbrella. To make matters worse, there is zero genuine online presence for this company. You won't find honest customer feedback or verified reviews. Only generic, promotional blurbs that sound like they were written by a very unenthusiastic AI. When a company has been around for 8 years and has fewer real reviews than a local taco truck, that's a massive red flag. Users are screaming for you to stay far away and try more transparent options like MyFair Lending or Empower instead. It turns out that easy and quick is often just a synonym for expensive and predatory. So is Finnfox.com legit? Well, not in any way that actually benefits your bank account. Sure, they have an old domain and a professional layout, but the negatives are louder than a car alarm at 2 a.m. Between the data-sharing frenzy and the sky-high interest rates, there's simply no reason to trust them with your information. If you're already in a financial tight spot, don't make it worse by inviting these sharks to dinner. Stick to lenders with proven track records and terms that don't require a magnifying glass to find the trap. Thanks for watching, and if this saved you from a financial headache, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest scam checks.